Fur coat, no, not yet, not yet.
Not even the boots with the fur? Okay,
Give me time, give me time. All right, let's talk about the weather on this beautiful Wednesday morning. The weekend, let's talk about that first. If you have plans Saturday and Sunday, highs in the 70s. Morning's a little chilly Saturday morning and Sunday morning in the 50s, but mostly clear and gorgeous. But that's all because of our next cold front. Now, that comes in tonight. At the moment, we're setting things up in the 70s, 60s out west in Alice and Kingsville, 65 in Beeville, and 75 in Rockport. No fog out there. So good news on the commuting out this morning. But today, again, we are setting up the scene for rain later on tonight. Partly cloudy at 9, lunchtime mostly cloudy, and then by the afternoon, it's mostly cloudy to almost overcast at times. And that's all because of so much moisture building in from the Gulf of Mexico, which is going to translate to some rain later on this evening. At the moment, the radar, it's quiet. Farther north you go, up I-37 and 35. Some rain and storms in the hill country. North of Sonora, between San Angelo and Waco is where a few storms are building in intensity. And this is west of the I-35 corridor. Zooming out, showing you the bigger picture, it's mainly Texas that is now being influenced by this cold front, really in the form of rain, clouds as high pressure moves south, and this front moves down to the south towards Corpus Christi later on tonight. So here's the timing. Colder air arrives around 9 p.m. tonight, but you'll not notice it until tomorrow morning. With it along the boundary, a few storms lighting up. So between this evening and tomorrow morning will be our best window of rain. So you may be woken up to a crack of thunder or some lightning or some heavy rain, and that's primarily going to occur in the overnight hours. By tomorrow, there will be some spotty showers around, but things will improve for Thursday. So a closer look at our local viewing area between here, Rockport, Beeville, and Georgia West. By 6 p.m. tonight, here comes the cold front moving through our northern counties first, and that'll start to ignite things a little bit more. Scattered showers with a few moderate downpours in the area. And then by 8, 9, 10 p.m., things get a little unsettled with a few thunderstorms lighting up between here, Robstown, Mathis, Orange Grove, and Alice across the area. And you'll see rain lingers through tomorrow morning, maybe through tomorrow afternoon, but things should gradually clear out as the front pulls the cloud cover and clears out our skies. Now, questions on how much rain we're expecting. Nothing that's going to flood the area, but you'll see in our western counties anywhere from between a ½ inch to 1.25 inches. From Kingsville to Corpus Christi to Rockport, there could be a few areas that certainly see up to 2 inches of rain. But the bigger story is how cold is it going to be? This will be a strong cold front, dropping things from the 80s down into the lower 60s tomorrow. Not to mention the morning lows are going to be in the 40s and lower 50s early Friday. We fall back on Sunday morning. We gain an hour of sleep. It's going to be clear and beautiful for this weekend. So if you have any plans, it's going to be great, guys.
Thank you very much, Ryan. That's right.